Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have the MadStad 52mm gauge pod with the Polaris Slingshot. Immediately after we launched our steering column mounted accessory switch box, a bunch of you reached out to us asking if we could make a gauge pod that utilized the same steering column location while still maintaining the same price point as the switch box. Well, guess what? You ask, we deliver. This gauge pod utilizes one of your factory ball hole locations, and just like the switch panel, securely mounts to the left side of your steering column. Now, since this pod mounts directly to your steering column, the pod will adjust with your tilt steering, keeping your gauge within your line of sight regardless of steering wheel position. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process.
Start by removing this factory T40 Torx bolt located here on the left hand side of your gauge cluster. Now replace it with the new 10mm bolt from the kit and leave it finger tight so that you can slide on the mounting plate and tighten it down all the way. Then you can slide on the gauge pod housing and screw in the 3 remaining Phillips head screws to lock it down into place.
Now, if this seems like a mod you want on your Slingshot, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.